Okay, let's take a look at the following problem. Determine the slope-intercept equation of the line that intersects the following point with the given slope. So we're going to be asked to write the equation of a line here. It's basically a two-step process. When given a point and a slope, it's a great idea for us to be using the point-slope formula. So hopefully those context clues in the way the problem is asked will awaken your mind to what formula you should be using. Okay, and then from there, we're just going to manipulate that equation through some algebraic steps to put it in slope-intercept form. So we're looking for an equation that has a slope of negative 2/3 and intersects the point negative 9, 5. So I'll just organize this a little bit in writing the label that negative 9, 5 is my x1, y1. It's my point. And I will now get set up with the point slope formula and say y minus y1 is 5 equals m, which is negative 2/3, times a quantity x minus x1, which is negative 9, is now got that set up the way we need it with the point slope formula. Okay, so from there we're going to move this to going into slope-intercept form. We see in this equation y is by itself, so we're going to have to do some manipulation of the equation here. We notice we don't have any quantity symbol on the right side, so we're going to have to do some manipulation to remove that from distribution. And the first thing I want to attack, though, is this double sign by organizing my writing and just addressing that simple issue. I would do that on both sides if it appeared on both sides, but this double sign is only appearing on the right, so I'm just going to eliminate that by going y minus 5 equals negative 2/3 times the quantity x plus 9. And then from there, I'm going to distribute and get y minus 5 equals negative 2/3 x, and then negative 2/3 of 9 is negative 6. And then last step, to get y by itself, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That's going to give me y equals negative 2/3 x, and then negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. So this is my equation of my line in slope-intercept form. You could see the slope, and you can see the y-intercept. If I took this over to a graphing calculator and put it in my y equals button, I would notice when I graphed it, it should be intersecting this point. I can use my trace features in my graphing calculator and verify it. That would be, in fact, checking the problem. It obviously checks out very quickly where it says the slope is supposed to be negative 2/3. I could see that in the problem, but I would probably need to take it to the graphing calculator to verify that I'm getting the correct intersection. And that's all that is. Enjoy. Enjoy.